same feel on it. Everything else is the same, so even the brush, there's nothing special about this brush. So I don't know why this one's 70 rand and this one's 60 rand. Hey drillers, as you've read from the title, so this is a Mr. Price haul and a Vanity built DIY video. So this is part of my SENZA IKHAYA, which is my home makeover series, but in this season of the series I am focused mainly at my main bedroom. And yes, I am doing it on a budget. I'm going to be sharing prices from now on, because I think that is one key thing in affirming the fact that I am doing what I'm doing, that I am doing the makeovers on a budget. I think it's important for me to also share pricing, so I will be sharing pricing with you in this video and in future SENZA IKHAYA videos. If you would like to catch up on videos that I've already created for my bedroom makeover, check out this video and this video. They are also linked up here in the card, and they link down in the description box below. So let's get into this video. Here are my bags from Mr. Price Home. I am going to start with this one first. Ooh, I need to put these things down slowly because there are fragile stuff in here. So let me start with this packet. So the items that are in this packet, I actually got them at the Mr. Price Home in the Pavilion. As you'll know, I am based in Durban. If you didn't know, now you know. I am not in Johannesburg or Cape Town. I am based in Durban. I know it's not something that is common because a lot of creators are in Johannesburg or Cape Town, but I am a Durbanite, and proudly so. I purchased these at the Mr. Price Home at the Pavilion. I don't want to lie to you, when I got there I had my hopes so high because I mainly use the Mr. Price Home app, and when I saw what is in season and stuff, the new in items on the app, I got really excited, and I went to the Pavilion store. Unfortunately, I wasn't that much impressed. They didn't have a lot of the stuff that I had added on my wish list of items in store. So I think because of that, I just was not encouraged. However, I did find some nice items that will be part of my bedroom makeover. So let me show you these. So this baby is the 40 centimeter black round mirror. It was 109 rand and 99 cents. So I'm just going to round it off. It was 110 rand. So I purchased this, and I must say I really love it. I'm not sure about the color. Ooh, it's got scratches. Ooh, I don't see that. Okay, it's got scratches. Okay, I'm not the type of person who likes returning things in stores, especially if it's decorative stuff. I either fix it or I use it as it is. Clothes I return, but decorative stuff I don't, unless if the item is broken. So this has some moderate scratches on it, and because I'm likely to paint this white, I'm going to ignore that and use it as is. And then I got this beautiful photo frame for 60 rand, which was 59 rand 99, and it's the 10 by 15 centimeter photo frame. I loved the natural wood framing that it's got. It's obviously not actual wood, it's just a wallpaper, I think, that has been placed over it, but I like the look of it, so I'm going to be using this also. If you've been on my socials or even here on YouTube, you know that I'm a faux mommy, a faux flower mommy. I'm very proud to be one because I don't have green fingers. I've accepted that. I am aware of that fact that I don't have green fingers. So I got these beautiful faux plants from there, and they are so stunning. So I'm going to be using them also in this space. Actually got 2 of these faux, and these were 100 rand each. They were marked down from 100 rand to 60 rand each. And yeah, so they are so cute. And then this baby was also 70 rand. So I must say Mr. Price is stepping up its game when it comes to getting faux plants that are looking realistic. We give credit where it's due, right? So, and then next up is this baby. It is a candle holder, and I'm just going to use it as a decorative piece. I love how masculine it looks. I think it's going to add a very nice masculine feel into the bedroom, because obviously I do share the bedroom with my husband, who is a male, you know, so it can't just be a soft bedroom. So I'm going to add this, and this was actually marked down from 230 rand to 100 bucks. So I was happy with that. I must say that in comparing the pavilion Mr. Price home and the Hillcrest Mr. Price home, the Hillcrest Mr. Price home actually has more price to go items, and a lot of their price to go or marked down items are in line with what I was looking for. So obviously I was really happy. Oh, the other thing that I got was this faux plant at the Mr. Price in the pavilion, and this was how much? It was 460 rand, and I liked it. I wish there was more leaves to it. I wish it was fuller, but hey, we work with what we have. Hey, yeah. So now I am going to share with you all the items that I got at the Mr. Price home in Hillcrest. So I got 2 of these Princeton sand tape lampshades for the bedroom lamps. These were 130 rand each. And then I got these light stands, and these were actually marked down from 200, and they were 300 rand, and now they are 200 rand. This is what I'm going for in our bedroom. So this is not for the bedroom, but it is for my home. So I got this for our bathrooms. The prices are different. Like this is 60 rand, this one is 60 rand, and then this one is 70 rand. I think just because it's gray, it's 70 rand, because honestly it's the same material, same feel on it. Everything else is the same. So even the brush, there's nothing special about this brush. So I don't know why this one's 70 rand and this one's 60 rand. Maybe Mr. Price home can share with us, but and then I got 2 of these babies. Oh, if you've been following me, you know that I like very warm colors. I'm a very warm toned girl. I love your grays, navies, white, natural wood tone, dark wood tones, your grays, you know, I've mentioned gray already. obviously I love it a lot. Your browns, I've already mentioned that, obviously I love it a lot. But I loved this. I love the feel of it too. I was like, oh god, it's the best. And this was 180 rand, and it was marked down to 140 rand. I must say the Mr. Price home in Hillcrest had a lot of markdowns. As I mentioned earlier, that they actually had a variety of items that were in their price to go section. If it wasn't in their price to go section, it was actually on the shelf, and the item would be labeled 230 rand, but then when you pick up the item, it's actually marked down. So I was very impressed by that, and because I was impressed by that, I'm going to frequent the Mr. Price home at Hillcrest, because obviously that's where the reduced prices are. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I like my sales, I like my specials, but if it's gonna be a sale or special, it must be a real sale special. That for me is important. And yeah, so I got this baby, these two babies for my bed. Yeah, for my bed, right? Yeah, for my bed. Yes, for my bed. I just want to say quickly that working with your space and wanting to spruce it up a bit, you know, upgrade it, update it a bit, I would really recommend that you create a mood board for it. LK Home DIY, Little Honolo, she actually has a video on her YouTube channel where she shares about how to create a mood board, so I will link that video of hers down in the description box below for you guys to check it out. And then create a mood board for what you want in your space, you know, dream, have fun, and then start going out and looking for certain pieces. And in some cases you will find the exact piece that you're looking for. In some cases you'll find pieces that are similar. In some cases you'll have to obviously DIY, spray paint, build the actual piece that you want to create. Like for me, I'll be building my vanity, because the vanities that I've been finding online are either too big or too small for my space. So definitely get a mood board going, and look at the sale section of your favorite stores. Go thrifting. If you are like me and do not always have a lot of money to spend in updating your space, so go thrifting, go to the price to go or the sale markdown section of stores, get their apps online, create a wish list, and that's really going to help you in also budgeting for your space. So I just wanted to share that little nugget. So, that's about it for this section of the video, for the haul. Now I'm going to take you guys outside to help me build my vanity. So I'm starting off with the P120 grit. I'm sanding down the inside of the vanity so that I prevent any splinters when I use it. When working with the sander, ensure that you grip it from the top. Because of its motor, it will be moving faster than you. Here's a detailed cut list and supplies that are used for this DIY. And everything will be detailed in the description box below. So because I'm working with the wood pieces that I have, I glued these two pieces of MDF together, cut it to size, for it to be this is going to be at the back of my vanity, and I'm going to nail it onto the back. So these are the hairpin nails that I'll be using. So I got 4 of these hairpin legs from Gelma, and they were 670 rand each. I have used similar hairpin legs for a DIY coffee table that I did for my granny. You can check the video linked down in the description box. To use the space in the mornings when I'm getting ready. Our bedroom is taking shape, and that is so exciting. The next video will actually be a tour of the bedroom, and I cannot wait for that, for me to just build my pedestal and then give you guys a tour of the bedroom. I'm so excited. It's really looking so warm, so inviting, and hubby is loving it also, so that is also a bonus. As you can see here, I am planning on creating a door, but I'm still looking for hinges. So season 2 of SENZA IKHAYA is really coming to a close, because we are almost done. Once I do the tour of the video of the room, the season is done, and next year we will be focused on another aspect of my home, and I can't wait. I haven't decided yet which area it would be between the other bedroom and the kitchen and the sitting room and the dining room. You'll just have to wait and see, but do catch up on all of these videos here of season 2 of SENZA IKHAYA. And if you want to see my entryway makeover, which is still also needing some more TLC, check the link down in the description box below. So the next episode will be the bedroom tour, as I mentioned, but until then, don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace.